And now Solid Signal shows you how to do it. Satellite setup on DIRECTV receivers has never been easier. If you have a Genie system, then it's automatic. You don't really have to do anything. Reboot your receiver and everything will work. But on an older system, it takes a few extra steps. You'll want to start by pressing the menu button. That brings you into the menus, and from there, arrow all the way down to Settings and Help, and press the Select button. Go into Settings, and arrow all the way down to Satellite. Press Select, and then to Repeat Satellite Setup. You'll see this warning screen, and you'll have to press the dash button on the remote to the left of the 0 in order to get past it. Here's the satellite dish setup screen. There are only two things to change. You'll need to change the dish type, and it's got to be one of these four. You'll need to change if you have a reverse band or international dish. If you do not have a reverse band dish, you won't even see the option. You'll just see the option that says international. If you do, it will say reverse band. The third setting is for the type of swim you have, and that is set automatically. If you think it's wrong, reboot the receiver, and it will check automatically. Press continue when you're ready. The receiver will now reload the first few hours of guide data. I'm going to speed this up significantly, otherwise it would take up to about a minute. The rest of your guide data will load automatically over the course of the next 24 hours, including all your on-demand selections. Once it's done, press continue, and then watch DIRECTV. It's just as easy as that. If you run into any other troubles, reboot the receiver, and oftentimes a lot of things will be redetected automatically. That's all there is to it, and now you know how to do it.